Attention all current passenger, please be advised that the general emergency drill will commence in 15 minutes time. All directional staff, please proceed to your station. Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the beautiful MV Matilde. This is your cruise director speaking on behalf of Captain. As part of our commitment to your safety, we will conduct a mandatory safety drill in compliance with the IMO safety protocols. We kindly ask for your attention as we walk through important safety procedures and information. All guests are required to proceed to their master station once they hear the general alarm signal. Your master station is indicated on your keycard and the staff will also be ready to assist you. All services on board will be closed in order to facilitate the mandatory safety drill. May we request that you direct your full attention as the crew demonstrate the safety features of the ship. Please take a moment to locate the life jacket in your cabin or near lifeboat station on deck 5. Ensure that it is the correct size and suitable for your weight. Remove any sharp objects from your body. Unlock the strap on your life jacket. Put the life jacket on by placing it over your head with the collar at the back of your neck and the waistband around your waist. Secure the waistband and buckle, adjusting it for a snug fit. Tighten any straps or adjustment including the skirt strap if available. Ensure that the life jacket covers your chest and upper body properly. There are several emergency exits on board. The nearest exit is located in the forward midship and aft of the ship. They are indicated by illuminated sign and are typically found throughout the ship, including stairways, corridors, and public areas. Take note of the assembly station nearest to your current location, as this information may vary depending on your cabin. Master Station A is located at the deck 5 forward. Master Station B is located at deck 5. Master Station C is located at deck 5 up. We remind you that smoking area inside the cabin are enclosed. Public area is not allowed. Tampering with disabling or destroying the smoke detection is prohibited by law. You may only smoke at the designated smoking area located outside deck 5. Follow crew instructions at all times during an emergency and remain calm. If you discover a fire, immediately activate the nearest fire alarm and notify the crew. In case of a larger fire, evacuate the area immediately, following the designated evacuation routes to your assembly stations. Do not enter the ship or any restricted areas without crew permission after an evacuation. We hope that you found this safety demonstration informative. Your safety is our top priority, and we appreciate your cooperation in observing these important safety procedures. Should you have any question, please do not hesitate to approach our crew members who are ready available to assist you. Again, this is your cruise director speaking on behalf of Captain. Wishing you an enjoyable cruise on board the MV Matilde.